in this video, I'm going to show you how to design a beautiful logo for free using Canva. And if you've tried logo design before and you've been intimidated by software such as Photoshop, then don't worry, because today's tutorial is step by step, and Canva is a drag and drop tool, which means the learning curve is minimal and everything you need to know will be shown in this video. And if you're wondering why the hell do I need a logo, well, there's quite a few benefits. First of all, a good logo creates that strong, fast impression, and you've only got one chance to do it. You might as well do it right with a good logo. Second of all, it builds brand loyalty. So if you're building your audience or you work on their Instagram profile, your YouTube channel, your website, whatever the case might be, if you've got a nice logo, it increases the value sort of your content, if that makes sense. It's strange, but you know how it works. If you see a t-shirt with a Nike logo, suddenly that t-shirt might become a little bit more cool. And it's just, that's what logos do to our minds. So you might as well take advantage of it and create your own logo. So basically, at the end of this video, you will know how to create an amazing logo step by step, and how to take advantage of the massive library of templates that Canva has available, which you can tweak and modify and use as an inspiration for your own logo. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is to click the link in the description in order to go to canva.com and create a free account. Now, Canva is a free tool and it allows you to design a lot of things for free, but at the same time they've got a pro version which has got some extra features which I will be using in today's video. However, you can get all the pro features using Canva's 30-day trial, so you don't have to spend anything. All you need to do is sign up for the trial and just cancel it before the 30 days are over if you don't want to use it. And if you want to use it, it's still a great tool. It's only $10.99 a month and it's got a lot of features. But like I said, if you don't want to spend anything, you don't have to. You'll have 30 days to use the Canva Pro for free using the free trial. So let's get started and create the logo. So the first thing that you want to do is to click on create a design and then logo. Now what you can see over here is just blank canvas which we'll be using today to create the design, and what you see on the left is the library of templates that Canva makes available for us, and this is an amazing source of inspiration and amazing source of logos which you can actually use and create your own logos, just modifying the existing template. So let's actually do it. Let's use this one, and I'll get rid of the cutlery, and then I'm going to head over to elements and then type in roof, and then select this roof. Cool. So instead of black, I wanted to make it green, and then make it a little bit smaller, and then let's rename this to your local builders. Now it's a little bit too big, so let's make the font smaller. Let's reduce it to 28, and that is almost perfect. Let's make it 27. Yeah, that's fantastic. And then instead of black, I'm going to go for something like gray. Yeah, this one is perfect. And then let's change this color from orange to green as well. And instead of food festival, let's rename it to residential constructions. And then let's change the font to 10 so that I can fit in here. Maybe we can do 11. Nope, only 10 is gonna fit. Alright, cool. Let's play a little bit with the roof. Maybe make it a little bit bigger. There you go. And I've got a logo for a construction company. Only took me, what, 2 minutes to make that happen, and it looks pretty sweet. Obviously, you know, if you want to hire a logo design company and spend thousands, they will probably come up with something better. But at the same time, you know, this is good enough. You can use this for your website. You could use it for your Instagram profile if you're running a construction company, whatever the case may be. It takes only a few minutes and it's free, and so that's amazing. So if you want to use it for your website as an example, you can always make it a little bit bigger by selecting all the elements together and then expanding like this. Right, and then if you go to download, make sure to select transparent background, which is one of the pro features that you can take advantage of if you take the free 30-day trial, which I highly recommend that you do. So just click transparent background and then click download. And just like this, I could download this logo, and let me show you. And I've got a nice logo with transparent background, which I can use on my website, on my Instagram profile, or whatever else the case may be. All right, let's try and do something else. Let's create another one. So let's go back to templates, and let me scroll through the templates that are available. Let's pick this one. And we will try to create a DJ logo in this case. And the DJ will be Noik, which is my surname. Let's grab text. Actually, I will stick to this font, but just use glitch. That's perfect. And then make it a little bit bigger. Actually, way more bigger than it is. Yep, that's perfect. Now let's get rid of this element. And then let's find an element for a DJ. This looks pretty sweet. Now I'm going to change the color from black to white. And then let's change this from blue to something a little bit more spicy. Maybe this one. Let's experiment a little bit. Actually, this is fairly attention grabbing, to be honest. So I could probably just use this one. And then let's work on the effects a little bit more. That was better. In fact, I'm gonna change the background again to this. And there you go. That's a 3-minute logo. It's not perfect, but it gives you an idea of what's possible. Just using Canva, dead easy to create a logo. And if you actually spend a couple of hours experimenting with different elements that they have available, and getting inspiration from the templates, then you can actually end up with something really decent. All right, let's create one more. Actually, I didn't mean to duplicate it. Let's go here. In fact, let me actually come back and show you one of the cool features that Canva has. So you can duplicate a page. So now I have 2 pages with the same logo, and then you can keep your original version here, and then you can experiment and, for example, change the background in here, and then you can compare it, things like that, and you can just continue duplicating to test and experiment, which is pretty cool. But let's try to create one more logo. In fact, this time I'm not going to use the templates. I'm going to do it myself from scratch. So let's just go pick background. This looks decent. And then let's go to elements. Pick a rocket. It will be for an imaginary space company or a travel agency, if you will. And let's make that white. Perfect. Now we need the text. Glow should be perfect for that. Let's call it moon. And change the color to something different like this. Purple, yeah, it's perfect. Make it a little bit smaller. Let's align this properly. Maybe make the rocket a little bit bigger. Right, so we just need a subheading now, which we can grab from here. And let's call it travel agency. And move it down. And now we need a better font. Yeah, this one is sweet. And then let's make it a little bit bigger. Let's try 28. No, way too big. What about 24? Alright, that's perfect. There you go. A fake space company or travel agency logo. This is just to show you how creative you can be with Canva. You can change the backgrounds, you can play with different elements, different fonts. You can add different effects on your phones like here. Loads of cool stuff that you can do. It's not Photoshop, but at the same time. And the advantage of Canva is that the learning curve is pretty much non-existing. I mean, you can start creating things from scratch without actually knowing even how to design things. And so you can see we designed 3 cool logos in what, 10 minutes. So it's pretty cool. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out Canva. You can do it by using the link in the description. And if you like my tutorials, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. It helps a lot. And next time I publish something, you'll be notified. Take it easy.